Minasan konnichiwa, this is Michelle Sensei again from the land of the rising sun, Japan. Today, let's talk about how to renew your Philippine passport in Philippine Consulate, Osaka, Japan. There are some important reminders that you need to know. Philippine Consulate doesn't accept walk-in. Means if you don't make an online appointment, you will not be accepted. You should make an online appointment prior to going to Philippine Consulate. Please check the description box for the link. Okay, first, please go to Renewal of Passport, Philippine Consulate General, Osaka. Once you're already in that website, you're going to see the different requirements for passport renewal. So please feel free to read. You can access the passport appointment site here. After clicking the passport appointment site, you'll be directed to the passport appointment portal. First, you need to choose your desired appointment date. To check the availability though. But for some reasons, this is not updated. It's already August, but this shows July. So once you see green, it means there is an available slot. So please read the instructions first before proceeding. It's better to read everything. Step 3. You have to email this link or this email address that you can see here. What will you email? Send your passport copy, pages 2 and 3. Once you click the passport renewal link, select the appointment date. Always remember that you have to refresh it because sometimes it's not updated. Bonus tip, important, it's better for you to prepare your passport before filling out the online form. This is for you to save time in filling out the form. Once you've selected your appointment date, you have to fill out the online form. Make sure to input the correct data. You have to send a picture of your passport, pages 2 and 3. Please send it on this email address. Please feel free to write it down. Dahil malakas kayo sa akin, I'm going to put the email address on the description box down below. Please check it out. I'd like to reiterate that once you've completed the online passport renewal form, make sure to send a picture of the pages 2 and 3 of your passport. Okay? After sending the email and finishing the online form, wait for Philippine Consulate's confirmation email. I waited for 3 to 4 days for the email. As a tip, print the email for faster transaction when you go to Philippine Consulate because they will be looking for it. The email would look like this. So, dear passport applicant, and then those stuff. Include all the things that you should bring during your appointment. The email also includes the date and time of your approved appointment. So, you should only go in your appointed time. What should you prepare before going to Philippine Consulate office? Please feel free to copy, but I will also paste the link on the description box, so please check it out. First, the confirmation letter from Philippine Consulate. So, email po yun, the copy of the email. Number 2, your original passport. Number 3, photocopy of data page. This data page, these are the pages 2 and 3 of your passport. Number 4, return envelope. Size is 120 by 235 mm or Nagagata size 3. Payment of 7,600 yen. It should be exact. Bring your own ball pen. It can be black or blue. And face mask. This is the envelope that you'll be needing. Binili ko to sa 100 yen shop. Important thing, you need stamps. The stamps should worth 960 yen in total. So, I bought mine at Lawson. Bumili ako ng 8 pieces na stamps na tig 120 yen. Pwedeng pare-pareho ng design, pwedeng iba-iba as long as ang total ng iyong stamps ay 960 yen, no problem. To avoid delay, paste the stamps before going to your appointment. Paste it, of course, on the envelope. Where should you paste the stamps? Ayan po, sa taas. But remember na you're going to write your name, address, and your telephone number at the middle of the envelope. So this is the example. So stamps should be placed on top and then sa gitna po, Please write your address, name, and telephone number. Day of the appointment. Bonus tip, check all your things before heading out. Please prepare your stuff beforehand. Maiwasan yung mga naiiwan na gamit. Don't come too early or too late. Staff won't allow you to enter the office if it isn't your scheduled time. Kasama or companions aren't allowed to enter the premises, not unless they also have an appointment, so they're okay to enter. Bonus tip, your companion or kasama can go to 4th floor. There is a waiting area there, so patambayin nyo sila doon. Or your companion can wait for you at the restaurants on the 1st floor. Now let's get going to the procedures on the appointment day. This is the building where Philippine Consulate is located at. It's on the 24th floor. 24th floor. A reminder po, they're pretty strict here about social distancing. So, talaga makakapasok kung hindi mo pa appointed time. Please take a look at this one. Nakalagay, no appointment, no entry. Yan po yung actual entrance ng Philippine Consulate office sa Osaka. First step, the staff will check your confirmation letter, passport, original and photocopy, envelope, and stamp. Sa labas po ito i-check, hindi pa kayo papasok, i-check muna yung requirements nyo. Step 2, if everything is okay, staff will check your temperature, write it down, and then you have to disinfect your hands. Finally, you can now enter the premises. Welcome to Philippine Consulate, Osaka, Japan. Proceed to window 1. The staff will ask you to read some important reminders posted on window 1. To verify your information. This info were from the passport renewal portal that you filled out. And please make sure that all information are correct. Kaya po pinapacheck sa inyo kasi kung may mali, babalik ka na naman sa consulate and you're going to pay another 7,800. You're going to submit your passport, original and photocopy, envelope and stamps at window 1. If you're done checking all the details, you will go to the cashier tabi mismo ng window 1. The cashier will ask you to read the reminders posted on its window. Halimbawa, itago mo ang resibo. Pwede mong matrack ang iyong passport. First, you need to scan the QR code posted on the cashier window. Kapag nakapasok ka na doon, mayroong number sa resibo na kailangan mong i-enter doon sa portal para makita mo yung passport. After paying the exact amount of 7,800, you will be given a number. Please be seated while waiting for your number to turn up at the monitor. Don't. It is discouraged to talk on the phone. I couldn't take pictures inside the consulate because nobody was using their phones. Step 4. Once your number is called, go to window 4. It is right side of window 1. The staff will ask you to verify your details. Then the staff will take your picture. Get the camera. Don't use hat, cap, or anything that will cover your head. Remove your earrings and necklace. Your ears should be shown. Teeth shouldn't be showing. Next, fingerprint. Still on window 4, your fingerprints will be taken. Disinfect with alcohol first, then place your right thumb on the biometric. We'll do the same with your right pointer finger. Please do the same with your left thumb and left pointing finger. Make sure to place your finger on the biometric correctly. After the biometric, you will check the data again. The staff will show you the data that will appear in your passport. Make sure everything's correct. Once everything is good, you will sign digitally. So this signature will also appear in your passport. After these steps, you're finished. Just wait for the passport to be sent to you via post office. It'll take 3 3 to 6 weeks, so just wait for it to be delivered at your home. I am hoping that this video could help our kababayans who wants to renew their passport in Osaka. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you would be notified whenever I post new videos like this. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much for staying with me. This is your Michelle Sensei signing off. Mata ne!